Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to do some math with candies you might have laying around your house. Today I am going to use fruit snacks. First I'm going to sort them and then I'm going to show you how to do addition with them. So first let me show you my tabletop. I'm going to use a cupcake pan that I have in my kitchen and I have 3 packs of fruit snacks. First thing I'm going to do is identify the different fruits I have in them. I have apples, strawberries, grapes, carrots, and pineapples. So I'm going to sort. I'm going to put apples in one, strawberries in another, pineapples in a different container, carrots in one, and grapes in one. And I'm going to sort all of my packs. Grapes, carrots, grapes, grapes. Let me get another pack ready. Pineapple, grapes, grapes. There's a lot of grapes. Grapes, strawberry, carrots, grapes, apple, carrot, and I have one more pack here. Apple, pineapple, apple, strawberry, carrots. Now, if you don't have a muffin pan, you could easily take a piece of paper and draw squares or circles and sort your fruit snacks. So I have carrots, grapes, apples, strawberries, and pineapples. The next thing I'm going to do is take a piece of white paper and I'm going to fold it into 4 pieces. So I fold it in half and I fold it in half again. When I open it, I will have 4 squares and I can write in my 4 squares simple addition sentences. So if I close it back up, each square says blank plus blank equals blank. And then we can go ahead and we can do our addition problems. So the first one that I'm going to do is going to be, I'm going to add my strawberries plus my pineapples. So I'm going to count how many strawberries do I have and how many pineapples do I have. Let's start with strawberries. I'm going to line them up and count them. 1, 2, 3. Remember, each fruit snack only gets 1 number. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. So I am going to write the number 3 in the first blank. So I now have 3 plus, and I need to find how many pineapples I have. Let's line up the pineapples and count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pineapples. So I'm going to write 3 in the next square. I now have 3 plus 3 equals, and I need to find how many do I have all together. So I'm going to line up all of my fruit snacks and we're going to count. 3 strawberries plus 3 pineapples equals how many all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 strawberries plus 3 pineapples equals 6 altogether. And I filled out my first math sentence. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, now if I just turn my paper over, I have another math sentence ready to go. And this time I'm going to do pineapples plus carrots. So first we count the pineapples, then we count the carrots, and then we put them together and we find out how many altogether. Ready? Let's count our pineapples first. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pineapples, so I'm going to write 3 in the first line of my number sentence. 3. Next, I need to count how many carrots do I have. Let's line up the carrots. And let's count how many carrots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 carrots. I'm going to write the number 5 in my number sentence. So I now know 3 plus 5, and I need to find out how many do I have all together. So my 3 pineapples plus my 5 carrots equals how many all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 pineapples plus 5 carrots equals 8 fruit snacks all together. So there's our whole sentence. 3 plus 5 equals 8 all together. If I open my paper back up, I now have 2 math sentences and I have room to write 2 more. Let's do 2 more. This time, I want to do grapes plus apples. So I'm going to line up my grapes and my apples, and then we're going to write a math sentence and find out how many. Let's count the grapes first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 grapes. So I'm going to write in my first blank line 8. I have 8 grapes. Now, how many apples do I have? 1. I have 1 apple, and I'm going to write the number 1 in my math sentence. So I now have 8 plus 1, and how many does that equal altogether? Let's count and find out. Remember, each fruit snack gets 1 number. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 grapes plus 1 apple equals 9 altogether. And there's our math sentence. 8 plus 1 equals 9. And if I flip my paper, I have 1 more math sentence to fill. Let's see what we can count this time. I think we can count apples plus carrots. Let's count how many apples plus carrots we have. First, we're going to count our apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 apples. So I'm going to write the number 4 in my first blank. 4. Next, I need to count the carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 carrots. I'm going to write the number 5 in my math sentence. So now I have 4 plus 5, and we need to find out how many altogether. I have 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equals how many altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. There's our math sentence. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And if you open your paper back up, we've now completed 4 math sentences and we are finished for the day. Guess what we get to do now? Eat your fruit snacks